So that's the temperature after it's been getting warm, because it's almost 7 o'clock now. But last night, that was brutal. I basically layered up as best I could, and I couldn't fall asleep. I felt like my rib cage was breaking. So I'm up now. I can't even sleep. It was probably like 4 hours of sleep. We're gonna go check out the fishing spot. I might even start fishing now. You can hear the water. Even from the tent, you can hear it running a little bit. So that's nice. It's cold. It's beautiful though. Everything's wet. Well, now it's kind of frozen a little bit. And it's a very beautiful sight to behold. I mean, not often do you get just fog like this. I don't even know what to make of it, but I like it. And here's a stream. Wow, this is so beautiful here. I feel like I'm in an enchanted forest. Here's a little bit of a path. Look at this tree. And spider webs. We're somewhere all the way over there. This trail, the river runs that way, and a trail and a river, they loop around that way, all the way over there. So I'm gonna walk a little bit more before I go back and wake them up. But hey, even if we don't catch fish, it's been worth it just to come here and hang out in this mist early in the morning. Oh, look at this. And the water is just evaporating right off the surface. I feel like I'm in a hot spring or something. Too bad it's 42 degrees. Boys, it's fish. So I only made it out. They're still sleeping. I guess they have these huge, puffy, red sleeping bags that look like they're made for, you know, -20 Celsius. They literally took up the entire trunk. I mean, you can compress them, but non-compressed, they expand to the entire trunk. So I guess they're nice and toasty the entire night. Maybe if you're freezing, then you'll wake up earlier. Anyway, I made it to this spot. I like how it serpentines right here. Hits a right turn, hits a left turn, hits a right turn, and then it's gone. I feel like I'm in this nice little valley here, and it looks like there's a deep pool right here, so I'm gonna try this out. I have brought my tackle box and a chair, some water too, but I don't think I'm gonna use the tackle box because I Hunter and I got these new lures recommended to us by the kind gentleman at Bass Pro Shops. We got this holographic Panther Martin. The Panther Martin. This one's silvery. It's got a little weight on it. It's copper colored. And a trident hook. Rooster tail's got some hair on it. And then, last but not least, got the super duper. I think I'm gonna start with this one. I like how I never had anything like this. It's like a hollow rectangle. Again, for trident hook, little red thing on there. I'm gonna try this one. All right, first cast. All right, everything seems to be in order here. Yeah. Top of the morning.
Top of the morning.
Hunter decided to wake up, and I'm showing him this spot here. I couldn't get anything on. Hopefully, you get something a little bit better. We got some fellow anglers coming. Probably parked by our little campsite. Yeah. I've caught my first fish. It was as soon as Hunter. Okay, so they were sleeping in a tent, and I was probably fishing for like an hour. And I guess Hunter woke up, and as soon as I caught it, he came. He's like, "Hey, did you get something?" I'm like, "Yeah, I did." And it's a beautiful rainbow trout. I'm going to show it to you right now. So I broke this dead branch here, so I know which spot it is. It was dead before, just to be clear. And we're trying to keep it alive. It's going to be fishing for a while. This is the first time I ever caught a trout. Beautiful rainbow trout. You can see a stripe on it right here. So this, Hunter actually showed me this as soon as I caught it. This basically, it's not piercing anything. It's just going through the little cavity in its gill. But anyway, we're gonna eat it later. I'm gonna keep fishing. Morning, AJ. What's that?
Not really a morning person. I don't know if you're able to tell.
I like their shades on.
These are my glasses. I need them to see.
Oh, well, they're really putting it in the shade then. Isn't it so nice here during the daytime?
What's that?
Isn't it so nice here during the daytime?
It's fucking beautiful, dude.
It's amazing. Bro, you should have seen it this morning. It had all the mist kind of rising up. Looked like a bunch of hot springs.
I wish I could fucking get out of my goddamn bed once in a while.
Brother Martin has arrived from the great state of Illinois. He is now taken over my fishing. We caught that one fish, and for the last like 4 hours we have had no luck. Edling?
Yeah?
How's it going?
Well, you can see the fish over here.
Oh, look at that.
Nice.
That's a stick insect. I've seen these before.
Flint steel, man.
Oh, you do it for flint steel?
Yeah.
That's neat. What are we cooking on here, Hunter?
Brats and fish.
One fish?
One single
brats.
fish. That's the worst. No.
I think it'll be okay.
Don't. This file doesn't need to be repaired. It's perfect as it is.
Hunter, what's the situation there as we stand?
We're leaving. And we need to go visit Decor before you guys fucking leave.
Yes. Let's do that right now.
It's a nice, at least drive through it. There's a good coffee shop downtown. I think you guys don't want to hurt.
Maybe, yes. Yeah. To go though. This was our camp. Now you can see it in the daytime, how we saw it at the nighttime. This is
footage of last night. It's that you couldn't see 10 feet ahead of you. It was creepy and horrifying.
yes, and we had this haunted chair welcoming our arrival. It literally, it scared us to the point that we left to find another place. But of course, there's nothing, so we came back here, which was a gamble because somebody could have rolled in here. I mean, granted, it was what 12 at night,
Yeah,
so
no
probably
one was gonna roll in except for
yeah. But they could have, and then we would be without a campsite. But we're gonna leave it how we found it.
What?
We actually had a UV light last night, and we determined that this was black. It doesn't look like, it looks more like Creole sauce. It's Creole sauce. Some Cajun.
Of course.
We just had our trout that we caught. We ate that. We had some sausage, and we're saying goodbye to the. What is this place called? There's this road.
South Bear Creek. I don't know what this road is.